Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to organize your desktop. Organizing your desktop can greatly improve your productivity and make your computer experience more pleasant. Look at your desktop and carefully review each file and shortcut. Determine which ones are unnecessary or outdated. Place your mouse cursor over the file you want to delete and right-click to open a context menu. From the context menu, click on Delete. A dialog box might appear asking for confirmation. Click Yes to confirm the deletion. Hold down the Control key on your keyboard and click each file you want to delete. This will highlight multiple files at once. Once you have selected all the files, right-click on any one of the highlighted files and select Delete from the context menu. Confirm the deletion if prompted. You can also select files using the mouse or Control key. After selecting the files, press the Delete key on your keyboard. Confirm the deletion if prompted. Decide which apps and shortcuts you frequently use and want quick access on the taskbar. Quick access to on the taskbar. Click on the app icon. Hold the mouse button and drag it to the taskbar. Release the mouse button to pin it to the taskbar. Use the Control key to select multiple app icons. Click and drag the selected group to the taskbar, then release the mouse button. Find a space on your desktop and right-click to open a context menu to reveal additional options. Select large icons. If you prefer large icons, select medium icons for a balanced size. Select small icons if you want more space on your desktop. Click on Auto Arrange Icons to let your computer automatically organize the icons in a grid pattern. Select Align Icons to Grid to keep your icons neatly spaced and aligned. Find a space on your desktop and right-click to open a context menu. Hover your mouse over the View option in the context menu. Click on Show Desktop Icons to remove all icons from view. Click again on Show Desktop Icons to bring them back. Click on the Start menu at the bottom left corner of your screen. Browse or search for the app you want to add to the desktop. Find a space on your desktop and right-click. In the context menu, hover over New and then select Folder. Type a name for your new folder and press Enter. Click on the files or apps you want to organize. Drag the selected items into the appropriate folder. Right-click on the desktop. Select New and then Folder. Right-click on the new folder and select Rename. Type a new name and press Enter. Right-click on the folder and choose Properties. Click on the Customize tab in the Properties window. Click on Change Icon. Choose an icon from the list and click OK. Click on the Start menu. Find the app you want to add, right-click on it and select Pin to Start. In the Start menu, right-click on the app you want to remove and select Unpin from Start. Rearrange apps by clicking and dragging them to your desired position with the Start menu. Right-click on the taskbar and select Taskbar Settings. In the Settings window, you can choose to lock the taskbar, auto-hide it, and change its location on the screen. In the taskbar settings, type Startup Apps in the search box. Review the list of apps and toggle off the ones you don't want to start automatically when your computer boots up. Right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Use Task Manager to see which applications and processes are currently running. Go back to taskbar settings. Find the section labeled Other System Tray Icons. Turn on or off the icons you want to appear in the system tray. Click on Start menu and select Settings. Go to System and then Notifications and Action. Turn notifications on or off for specific apps. Click on the Start menu and select Settings. Select your preferred colors for window borders, the Start menu, and the taskbar. In the Personalization settings, click on Theme. Choose a theme from the list or download new ones from the Microsoft Store. Click on Custom Color in the Color section to pick any color you like. For better visibility, select High Contrast Themes available in the Theme section. Change your desktop background by selecting Background in the Personalization settings and choosing a picture or slideshow. Schedule a regular time, like once a week or once a month, to tidy up your desktop. Delete unnecessary files and organize new ones into folders. Only keep shortcuts for frequently used applications on your desktop. Move less frequently used shortcuts to a folder or the Start menu. Develop a consistent folder structure that works for you. For example, create separate folders for work, personal projects, and miscellaneous items. Regularly back up important files to an external hard drive or cloud storage to avoid losing them. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.